Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
Ladies and gentlemen, look at what we have for you this morning. National Rosé Day is coming up, and here with the perfect meal to pair with your drinks, Chef Ashton Keefe. Chef, good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me. Excited to be here. It's a great day.
You made everybody happy with what we have here to present people. So first up, we're making lobster rolls this morning. Just in case people don't know, how do you cook lobster correctly? People think it's easy, or maybe they don't. What's the right way?
Well, it's very, very easy. I just have a pot of boiling water here. Make it as salty as the ocean, which is key, I think. And then the rule of thumb is about 5 to 7 minutes per pound. So that's always something you want to think about. But now you can actually buy pre-cooked lobster. You can get shucked lobster. You can get lobster meat. You can also use crab or shrimp if you're on a budget.
Okay, sounds good. So here's the deal.
Yeah.
We're going to make some lobster rolls, and then we have the rosé to match perfectly. So first up, we have a California roll. Take it away.
So let me just show you this beautiful California roll. So I did a take on using lettuce instead of buns. It's a little bit lighter, It's a little bit more bikini friendly. So what I did is I have just one lobster here. It's about a half a pound of lobster meat, and I zested a lemon on top, and then I'm using fresh herbs. So if you've got a garden, use what you're finding at the farmer's market or in your garden. So I'm using basil because summer and basil are kind of synonymous. And then I'm using some parsley and then a little bit of dill, and then I just do the same thing I would do for a salad. So there's no mayonnaise or butter, which is traditional New England lobster roll, but this is again our California take on it. So I did olive oil, and then I just do a lemon. That's it.
Love it. Okay, so now we have to
easy.
Now we have to pair the right wine with. By the way, I love the lettuce option instead of the bread, but now we need to pair the right rosé. We have one here. This is a romance. Tell me about. Wait a minute. Wait, you're ahead of the game over here, Chef. Hold on. Let me catch up.
That's the most important part.
Stand by. Hold on here. Here we go. Whoa, yeah. Watch
there
this.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay, tell me about this rosé. Romance.
So this is Chateau de Bern Romance. So as you can imagine, it's a very romantic and magical kind of wine. You guys will see it's very light in color.
Yes.
And this is the perfect poolside wine. So this is a wine that's lighter. It goes with lunch. It goes with brunch. It goes with dinner. So I say this is like a brunch into cocktail hour wine. It's very light. It's very aromatic. And I think it pairs really well with this because this would equally pair well with a salad. And since our California roll is super light and refreshing and kind of zippy with the lemon, it's the perfect pairing, and about $15 a bottle.
Yum, yum. I'm enjoying it. I thought I loved my cup of coffee earlier. This might beat that.
Rosé and coffee. That's
now.
A Monday morning in a nutshell.
Nobody's complaining about that. Next up, we have our classic lobster roll. Talk to me.
Yeah, so classic lobster roll. We have all of these recipes available for you. So this is a mayo and butter combination. So a classic New England lobster roll. I put celery leaves. I put celery little bits here. And I chose to pair this with a very classic Provence rosé. And this is another Chateau de Bern. This is our inspiration. So you guys will see it's this beautiful square-like bottle. It actually is like mirrored after the property itself, the tower in the middle of the property. This is a little bit more complex, and this reminds me, if you guys smell it, again, it's got that floral smell to it, but it's almost like the lavender in Provence, and it's summer in a bottle. And this is just really delicious and beautiful.
Yes. Hold on.
And this is about $20 a bottle.
Look at this. Wait a minute. I just took that cork out. Listen, oof. I'm enjoying this. I don't know about you, Chef, but I'm having a blast right now.
I know. So very delicious, light, aromatic, but much more your traditional Provence rosé.
Oh, yeah. So far, so good. I'm enjoying this. Okay, lastly, we have an Asian-inspired roll, and then, of course, we're going to pair that with another rosé. Talk to me about that one.
Absolutely. So this is, again, not your traditional, but I love this because you're kind of combining all these like global influences. So it's ginger and soy sauce. We're using a little bit of scallions. There's a cabbage base to it. So again, it's a little lighter, but it's also just more complex and inspired by multiple different things. You know, you've got your Provence rosé, you've got your Asian inspiration, and then you've also got, you know, your lobster. And this is paired with the ultimate, Ultimate Provence right here. You guys will see this.
Oh, we just
this
happen to have a bottle
actually,
too. What are the chances? Wait a minute.
The bottle
here we go.
is mirrored after a perfume bottle. So it's a very great
very nice.
hostess gift. If you're going anywhere, this property is closer to Saint-Tropez.
Yeah.
And the property itself has a beautiful pool and a very elegant restaurant that uses a lot of this global inspiration as well. So this is kind of an homage to the property itself and the chef there and their menu, which is, definitely a modern global take. And this is 18 to 25. So this is the higher end one, but that's why I also think it's perfect for a dinner or a hostess gift, and it's really delicious.
Chef, brilliant. This is fantastic. I mean, now I got a craving for lobster rolls, but these rosés, so delicious. Stand by, hold on. Chef Ashton.
I'm gonna send the lobster to you.
Yes, ma'am. What a delight. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you. Cheers. Happy Rosé Day.
Cheers to you. Happy Rosé Day. If you would like to find these recipes, go to our website and click the Scene on tab.
You know what, Raul?
Hey,
wouldn't it be nice to make that packet and then go up on a hot air balloon?
Make that packet.
Well, make the lobster roll, pack the wine.
Oh, like a little picnic.
And go on a picnic on a hot air balloon. Wouldn't that be fantastic?
Did I tell you about the time I got my wife like a gift for our anniversary, a hot air balloon sunset ride?
Oh,
She made me cancel it because she was scared. But it's the thought that counts. Cheers.
I like that story for a lot of different reasons.
It was a win-win for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my money back and I got the points.
That rosé treating you right over there.